you should definitely set up budgets and alerts inside of the billing, just so, have peace of mind. You get an email alert when something is happening. So once this only works after you've set up the billing account, because you need to have billing set up. Here on the left, you have, we don't need all of that. Here on the left, you actually have budgets and alerts. And you can create a budget. You can give this a name. This is super safe. And we want it monthly. We want it for all projects and all folders and all organizations that you're creating across all services. We want it to apply to everything and include everything as well, all the credits you have. So especially you'll in the beginning have like $300 for free, but you still want to get an alert because this is not a blocker. Okay, Google is smart. Also, when you're using Firebase, there are stories of companies who've overnight spent $30,000 on a Python function that ended up in a constant loop and duplicating itself and literally horizontally scaling. Google has budget alerts, but they don't have budget blockers. So it's not like you set this up and you say, hey, when it hits $10, stop doing everything you're doing. No, it only sends you an email. The horror story I was just talking about, it's more in relationship to cloud functions and Cloud Run and virtual machines. And when you're actually programming, this is not something that is per se happening in a data warehouse. But still, you want to know when you hit, for example, $10. And then what happens is Google will give you a couple of options to send you, let's say, a message when you hit, let's say, the first 10% of that. So when 10% of the budget is hit, aka $1, you'll actually get, on the actual, not on the forecasted, but on the actual, you'll get an email alert. You can do project owners, you can do billing admins, and project owner and a billing admin is somebody different, or can be somebody different. When you're owning the billing account, can be somebody that's different than who owns the actual project. And then you just click finish. And now you have a super safe budget. So it will send you an email when $1 is used. It'll send you an email when 50% of the €10 is used, etc. And that will give you a better peace of mind, I would say. So definitely set that up.